Hello friends, today we're making bruschetta straight out of Italy. And when I say straight out of Italy, it's straight out of Italy. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome back to Nancy's Love Kitchen. So today we're gonna make a bruschetta that I had in Italy. We were there about 5 years ago and I loved this appetizer so much that the chef actually gave me the recipe. It's simple, it's easy, only a few ingredients, everybody loves it. We always get requests to make it, so I hope you guys will love it too. Let's get started. All right, so I have an Italian bread here. Normally you see bruschetta with really small baguettes. They're thin and they're crunchier, but when we had it in Italy, it was actually an Italian bread. It was a thick piece, so I'm gonna make it the way I had it there, and everybody loves it that way so far, so let's try it. I'm gonna cut them into pieces first, and I'm gonna toast them, and then I'm gonna show you what to do with the tomatoes. All right, now that we cut the bread into a few pieces, I'm gonna drizzle it with some olive oil. As you all know, olive oil is extremely popular in Italian dishes. One side is totally fine, and I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of salt, and now I'm gonna toast this in the oven for a little bit. You don't want to toast it too long, maybe about 5 minutes at 350 degrees. Here I have the ingredients, just 4 tomatoes, I have 1 clove of garlic, and I have a handful of fresh basil. I'm gonna cut everything up. All right, so I cut the tomatoes in a little bit of larger pieces. Make sure you don't cut them too small, especially because our bread is not small. Again, it's not your typical small baguette. It's Italian bread, so I have them about, like, you can tell or see how big the tomatoes are. Chopped up the basil in there and the garlic, and we're gonna add some salt. Now this definitely needs a good amount of salt. But again, you know, just taste it to see what you like, what you prefer, as you know, far as the salt goes, but it definitely needs a good amount of olive oil. So we're gonna olive this baby up. Mix it all up together. It already smells delicious from the fresh basil and the garlic in here. Just look at that. Look how shiny it is from the olive oil. I use extra virgin olive oil, but you can use whatever kind of olive oil you like. All right, we're gonna fill up our toasted bread. Again, I did not toast them for too long because you want to leave it a little on the soft side, but a little crunchy at the same time. This smells so good, guys. Every time I try this dish, I feel like I'm back in Italy. And who doesn't want to be in Italy? All right, everyone, so it's ready to go, and I'm gonna take a bite into it, and I have my glass of wine ready. This is delicious. Oh my God. It just took me back to Italy for a second. I have my glass of wine. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna go finish this dish. This bruschetta is a hit at every party. With all the holidays coming up, I guarantee you people are gonna love it. They're gonna ask you for recipes, and you know where to find it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Until next time. Cheers.